Hi guys, and welcome to Explicit Wellness. Welcome to my channel. Yes, I am going to make a Portabello veggie burger. Here it is. Portabello veggie burger. Yes. It's non-GM ingredients made with that. It's 4 of them. It comes in a pack. I got these from my local grocery store, Publix. Yay to Publix. That's right. It's only 100. If you can focus, you can see it. My lighting is it's 100 calories. Yes. I'll just read it to you all to let you know about this. It's from Franklin Farms. Um, Fat, 1.5 grams. You have your saturated fat, 0. Trans fat, 0. Cholesterol, 0. Sodium, 290 milligrams. Total carbohydrates, 10 grams. You have your fiber, 3. Sugar, 3. Protein, 14. And your calcium is 54 milligrams. That's 4%. And iron, 2 milligrams. Potassium, 580 milligrams. Yes. Now, this product is a plant-based product. I'm so glad I found these. I was trying to find the Beyond Burgers, but I didn't really search as much as at Publix because Walmart doesn't sell it here in Georgia where I am. Just say look in the front. It's 2. If you can see, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. I have the other ones in the skillet. And the front is like this grilled already. It's gonna be good, you all. Let me show you how they look. They are on the skillet. Yeah, they are ready. They were falling apart because I had already took them out and laid them on my saucer or the plates here. But yes, I'm going to let them simmer a little bit. And we're gonna come back. When I come back, it's going to be ready to put in my flaxseed, oat bran, and whole wheat pita bread. So stay tuned. Guys, I forgot to tell you the ingredients in this burger, so I want to share that with you, and then I'm going to show you how I will be stuffing my Portabello Veggie Burger by Franklin Farms. Ingredients is filtered water, soy protein flour, portobello mushrooms. We have onions, yes, egg whites, carrots, red peppers, green peppers, soy protein concentrate. We also have canola oil, organic wheat-free tamari sauce, water, organic soybean salt, natural flavors, rice starch, sea salt, ascorbic acid with vitamin C. And it can also contain soy and eggs. Yes. So, and it has 75 or less fat than the leading competitors. So let's get to it. And 100 calories. So let's get to it. Those packs from Publix, they were like $5.99. So I got that one, and let me show you the other one I got the veggie burger, Portabello burger from Publix, $5.99, and 4-pack. And I also have these, the veggie burger, original recipe, and also 4 comes in each pack, $5.99 at Publix. So this is what I have: veggie burger, original recipe, and the Portabello. I just want you to see that I did forget to put the cheese on there, but now it's on there. I want it to melt. That's that white boar's head cheese from Publix. Great cheese. I told them to cut me some cheese. If you don't want to buy the whole boar's head, you can get the $2 worth, $3 worth, $5 or whatever. So it's melting. That's going to make it real cheesy. Gotta have that cheese. Hey guys, I'm back. I am seasoning my vegetables with my lemon. Yes. Lemon is good for toxin, to get the toxins out your body. You can also use lemons for other sources. On your face, if you want to detox your skin. Because I use it daily. Yes, so that's why I'm speaking on it. I know this is a vegan Portabello pita bread, flaxseed pita bread sandwich review. So I just want to enlighten you on what lemon is for. So you can use it daily. It's a good nutritional fruit and used with other everyday things. Okay, we have our mustard. We're going to do our mustard. And I have already seasoned, as you can see, the tomatoes and the pickles. Another thing, when you're cutting your pita bread, make sure it doesn't go all the way around. You want to be able to stuff it inside. Yes. So that is that. Trying to get my other hand washed. Okay. Then I'm going to get my tomatoes, stuff it in my pickle, stuff it down in my half a pickle, my whole pickle and my half a pickle, and stuff as many tomatoes as you want. And eat. Yes. Don't forget the mustard. I'm getting another sauce out of my refrigerator. So I'm going to be using Thousand Island. I'm in love with Thousand Island for some reason. And mustard. So let me just see if I can put that in there. I'm gonna get the other sandwich. You can see what I'm doing. Hope you can see it. This one is already made. Yes. So we're gonna get the other one here. There it is. So delicious. That's the mustard. Now I'm going to put my Thousand Island on here. Like I did the first one. So good. So good, so good, so good. Yes. Okay. That's how it looks. Yes. So there you have it. I'll fold it back so you all can see how it looks. And there you have it, my Portabello sandwiches. Excuse me. Here you are. I thank you for tuning in and watching. Hope you can see the light in my sandwiches. And there you have it. Thank you for tuning in. My Portabello pita bread with flaxseed and oat grain. Plant-based food. Thank you for tuning in. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification button. And have a good one.